All right, this is where we're going to cut everything up. Make sure the dialogue goes with the visuals. This is the hard part. It's going to take a lot of time. So let's zoom in and see where we're at. So we want the dialogue to start here at the second scene. The first scene is the wide shot where it's establishing these two characters in their location. The next shot is the blue guy talking. Let's drag the audio over here like this. And what I want you to do is press the play button. And when he stops talking, we need to cut this scene and the audio. And that happens right here. Get the razor tool and cut here and cut here. Get the move tool, delete this one, click here and press delete to have that scene come closer. Let's scroll over a little bit. Notice that the waveforms here, Vortex's waves are really high compared to Rex's waves. So at the end of these high waves, get your razor tool and cut. We'll delete this one and then bring this one in. Then we'll go to the next area where we see the big waves. Get the razor tool, cut, delete this one. This is going to be Vortex talking in the next scene. Click here, press delete. Let's go to the end of where Vortex is talking. Cut it right there. Delete this scene. Click in between the scenes, press delete. Let's go to the next part where Vortex talks. Get the razor tool, let's cut that. Move tool, let's delete this part, bring this part over. Vortex part is really short here. Let's get the razor tool, let's cut and cut. Let's click on that, delete it. Click here, delete. This is where he has his elbow moving. Now, this is gonna be a little different here because I wanna show the wobbling of the elbow, and then I wanna show he's wobbling over here too. So this is gonna be a different kind of edit. After he says, your elbow joint is loose, we're going to cut it here, delete this part, bring this over, and we don't immediately see the guy wobbling around. We have to find a spot we like where he's wobbling around. I like what he has towards the end of this filmed piece. Let's bring this over here like this, and let's go over here. Let's cut it there. We're gonna go to a right here. So we need about this much space. I'm gonna get the cut tool, cut right there, delete this part, and then delete the in-between part right there. And that works almost perfectly. Let's bring it over like this. So it will go from this scene to this scene. Now we can see the fingers here, but don't worry about that. We can always zoom in and zoom out so we can remove that behind the scenes look. This lesson will continue in the next video.